how to find your Terraria server IP. So to find your server IP, you first need to know who you are trying to play with. So the IP changes depending on whether your friends are in your house or over the internet. So if you're playing with your friends in the same house, you will need your local IPv4 address. And to find that, just simply click on Windows key plus R on your keyboard, then type in CMD just like that. After that, type in ipconfig, just like that, then hit enter. Then find the line that says IPv4 address, and the number here on the right side is the IP your friends in your house need to type in to join you. But let's say you're playing with friends over the internet. What you need to do now is open up Google or any browser and type in what is my IP and click on enter. Then click on this link right here. So what is my IP address? So once you're here, it will show you the IP your online friends need to type in. And that is how you basically find your Terraria server IP.